Hello class, on page 158 of your book, you're going to see a review of the file formats that you're going to work with in Photoshop. I just want to quickly give you an overview. I'm going to go to File, Save As. When I'm in File, Save As, I'm going to see right here what the name of the image is, Save As, so that's where I'll name it. I don't usually put in tags. I usually always put something in a folder. So these images are by Alorian. It's a studio session, and this is one of the images that she used. Now it's going to say Format, and if you don't see that, you have to select this little arrow at the top. So now I'm going to say Format JPEG. JPEG is a compressed file. If I want to save it uncompressed, I'm going to save it as either a Photoshop, which is going to be extension PSD, or I'm going to save it as a TIFF, which is going to be .TIF. Every assignment, I am telling you exactly what format to save your work in, so this way you can come through and you can change it as needed. Now, there's one thing that sometimes happens when we're working inside of Safari, and that is that the images are downloaded, but what happens is sometimes when they're downloaded, they'll download as a .ps. So this is what it looks like sometimes. I'm going to say use PS. It's simple to change. You just highlight the name, select it a few times, and if you can't get it to open up like this, you can right-click the file and you can say Get Info, and you can change the name right here. I'm going to delete PS and I'm going to type in TIF. I'm going to hit return. It's going to ask me if I want to keep .ps or use TIFF. I'm going to say use TIFF. .ps is a very, very old Photoshop file format. The Photoshop file format for Photoshop, as I told you before, is Format Photoshop PSD. Format JPEG, JPG, Format TIFF, TIF. Those are the only three file formats that you're going to be using for a while. Alrighty, thank you very much.